Hello everyone. So today I'm back with the new video, and this is going to be a very interesting topic that everyone must have read in their school days or might be in their college days, and this topic is very important if you are stuck between science, and this particular topic is very specific. So now I'm going to talk about the topic in front of you, which is enzymes. Enzymes are basically most important part of body which takes indulge in each and every function that our body performs, and I'm talking about the living ones. So now as you see here, there's a picture in front of you. This is an enzyme, and an enzyme is always requires a substrate to bind, and the space between the enzyme and substrate is known as active site. Now, what is basically enzymes and how we are going to study about it? So let me clear it all with my specific notes. So basically these are cells, tissue, complex organs that plays important part in biological processes. Also, like I told you, some functions and the processes that body performs like respiration, digestion, excretion, and other metabolic activities, they are the important part of healthy life. Basically, enzymes are proteins that help speed up the metabolism or any chemical reactions. So we can call them as a biocatalyst because in biological reactions, they play a very vital role that help into speeding up the reaction. All the enzymes basically are helpful in more than ways than one, and they have a different structure. Like an enzyme is always has a specific site or active site that binds with a substrate. Comparing to it, it is very important, and one of the example of it is ribozymes. Ribozymes are not different, they are just the amalgamation of ribosomes and enzymes. Now enzymes, as I told you, we can also call them as biological polymers that catalyzes biochemical reactions. The major of the enzymes are proteins with catalytic capabilities, crucial to perform different processes and also metabolic processes in chemical reaction as cells. I'll be taking all the points in very short, and wherever we have long points, I'm going to make it in a very summarized version so that you will not be able to listen to me for a longer time. You are just able to understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, so as you see here, enzymes are vastly divided in 6 categories: oxidoreductase, transferases, hydrolases, lyases, isomerases, and ligases. So classification of enzymes, as you see here, the first category is oxidoreductase. Oxidoreductase is basically a combination of oxidation and reduction reactions. Like pyruvate dehydrogenase is one of the enzyme involved in this category. This catalyzes the oxidation of pyruvate to acetyl coenzyme A, which is an important part of Krebs cycle. Next part is ligases. Ligases catalyzes the association of two molecules. Like DNA ligase catalyzes the joining of two fragments of DNA by forming a phosphodiester bond. So this also play a very important role. One of the important factor that comes in enzymes is cofactors. Cofactors are non-proteinaceous substance, and they are also associated with enzymes. They are essential and their functioning is also very essential. These enzymes are, we can call them also as apoenzymes, as the enzymes is together constitute to form a haloenzymes. So these are further, I would say, advancement with the enzymes. Now coming to the mechanism. So basically, any two molecules have to collide for the reaction to form this reaction, and the energy between these molecules need to overcome the barrier in the reaction, and this energy is particularly called as activation energy. For example, if we require a certain amount of energy to do any work, is our kinetic energy, because we are coming to do our work from a resting state to a working state. In the same way, enzymes required an energy that without energy cannot be possible. So, activation energy is the one that helps in this way. Next is, these enzymes are also active sites. They provide shape and functioning group to the body. And in that way, we study more about enzymes, and this is a basic and most important part of enzymes, very, very basic aspects of enzyme. And in further, we are going to largely describe about classification of enzymes, as we have just discussed about oxidoreductase. I hope you like my video and it is very, very informative and beneficial to you all, because I have added a lot of notes, a lot of points from wherever the verified sources I got, most importantly the books. And thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you really, really loved it, and thank you so much. Like, share and subscribe, and most importantly share with the friends that required these notes and these videos to study. Thank you so much.